Get ready, because Stellantis CEO just unleashed new models for 2026 that look almost too good to be real. If you've ever thought this company didn't have enough well-designed and competitive models, you must see these 5 new ones. From bringing back old favorites to creating bold new designs, this list will totally change how you think about Stellantis. Number 5. Jeep Comanche. After sitting on the sidelines for nearly 3 decades, the Jeep Comanche nameplate is making its triumphant return, and it's bringing a level of authenticity that's going to expose every other compact pickup as a fraud. While Ford's Maverick and Hyundai's Santa Cruz have been masquerading as trucks with their crossover bones and mall crawler aesthetics, the 2026 Comanche is arriving as a genuine trail-rated machine that puts capability first. The difference becomes crystal clear from the moment you see the spec sheet. Every single Comanche will roll off the production line with standard 4-wheel drive featuring Jeep's active drive system. No optional packages, no upcharge fees, no compromises, just ready-to-rock capability that transforms this compact truck into something the competition simply cannot match. Under the hood, Jeep is planning a powertrain strategy that covers all bases. The entry point features a naturally aspirated 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, providing reliable power for daily duties. But things get interesting with the turbocharged 2-liter option, delivering approximately 270 horsepower and enough torque to make short work of challenging terrain. The real showstopper could be the plug-in hybrid variant, borrowing the Hornet's 1.3-liter turbo paired with an electric motor for a combined 288 horsepower output that delivers instant torque when you need it most. The Trailhawk variant is going to take capability to another level entirely. We're talking about low-range gearing, crawl control, and a locking rear differential that transforms this compact pickup into a legitimate rock crawler. While other manufacturers offer appearance packages and call them off-road editions, Jeep is delivering the real deal. Number 4. Ram Rampage. The compact pickup segment is about to get a serious dose of luxury because Ram is bringing the Rampage to American shores, and it's carrying all the premium DNA that's made full-size Ram trucks the segment leaders. After proving itself in South American markets, the Rampage is heading north to show Ford and Hyundai what a truly refined compact truck looks like. Built on the same unibody platform that underpins the Dodge Hornet and Alfa Romeo Tonale, the Rampage delivers something its competitors can't: the perfect balance between crossover comfort and genuine pickup versatility. This isn't about choosing between capability and refinement, it's about having both without compromise. What sets the Rampage apart is attention to detail that other compact trucks simply ignore. Features like a power-opening tailgate, premium interior materials, and the kind of build quality that makes you forget you're in a compact truck. Expect pricing to start above the Maverick's aggressive entry point, but the premium will be justified by superior materials, more standard features, and the refined experience that Ram customers have come to expect. Number 3. All-new Jeep Cherokee. The Cherokee nameplate is making its return, and Jeep is positioning this model to dominate the most competitive segment in the American automotive market. Built on the advanced STLA, large platform that also supports the Wagoneer S and upcoming Recon, this Cherokee replacement is bringing serious hybrid technology to a segment that's been begging for authentic Jeep capability combined with modern efficiency. The platform strategy here is brilliant. By sharing underpinnings with Jeep's electric models, the Cherokee gains a sophisticated foundation while keeping costs reasonable. Front-wheel drive models are going to feature Stellantis' EDCT hybrid system, combining an electric motor and dual-clutch transmission with a small displacement engine for maximum efficiency without sacrificing performance. All-wheel drive variants get the 4xe treatment, adopting plug-in hybrid powertrains that deliver significantly more power than front-drive versions while maintaining the trail-rated capability that defines the Jeep brand. The larger battery pack and more powerful electric motor provide substantial electric-only range for daily commuting while retaining the rugged capability for weekend adventures. This is the right moment for a comeback. Compact SUVs consistently rank among the top 5 best-selling vehicles in the United States, with models like the Toyota RAV4 and Honda CR-V moving hundreds of thousands of units annually. For Jeep to ignore this goldmine would be automotive suicide, which is why the company is bringing its A-game to this crucial segment. What makes this Cherokee particularly exciting is how it bridges the gap between the smaller Compass and larger Grand Cherokee, while bringing genuine Jeep capability to buyers who prioritize efficiency without sacrificing authenticity. With its combination of hybrid technology, trail-rated capability, and modern design, this Cherokee is positioned to steal market share from every competitor in the segment. Number 2. Chrysler SUV. After years of being relegated to minivan purgatory, Chrysler is preparing for a major transformation with the launch of an all-new crossover SUV that's going to completely redefine what the brand represents. Built on the sophisticated STLA large platform, this new model serves as Chrysler's bridge into the electrified future, starting with a plug-in hybrid and followed by a fully electric version. This midsize family-friendly utility vehicle blends modern design cues with advanced technology features and practical versatility that today's buyers demand. For Chrysler, this represents a vital step in reclaiming relevance in a market where SUVs dominate and where the brand has long lacked competitive variety. The powertrain strategy reflects Stellantis' multi-energy approach. The initial plug-in hybrid variant provides immediate accessibility to buyers not ready for full electrification, while the planned fully electric version positions Chrysler as a serious player in the premium EV space. This isn't just about adding another SUV to the lineup, it's about fundamentally changing how consumers perceive the Chrysler brand. What's particularly exciting is how this crossover will incorporate Stellantis' most advanced technologies. Expect features like Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, augmented reality head-up displays, and support for next-generation battery technology that puts this Chrysler at the cutting edge of automotive innovation. In parallel, Chrysler is working on an ambitious electric sedan inspired by the stunning Halcyon concept. With dramatic design elements and a minimalist interior interface, this sleek electric sedan is expected to serve as a spiritual successor to the Chrysler 300, combining performance and luxury in a striking new package that arrives soon after. Number 1. Ramcharger. The return of the Ramcharger nameplate after more than 3 decades represents the most innovative approach to truck electrification the industry has ever seen. This isn't just another hybrid truck trying to balance fuel economy with capability. The Ramcharger is a sophisticated engineering marvel that solves every major problem with current electric vehicles while delivering performance that makes traditional gas trucks look obsolete. The genius lies in the execution. Unlike conventional hybrids where the gas engine directly drives the wheels, the Ramcharger's 3.6-liter V6 works exclusively as a range extender, powering a generator that charges the massive battery pack. The actual propulsion comes from front and rear electric motors that combine to deliver 647 horsepower and 610 pound-feet of torque, enough power to launch this full-size truck to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. But the real game changer is the range capability. Ram estimates 145 miles of pure electric driving for daily commuting and local hauling. But with a full tank of gasoline, the combined range extends to an absolutely staggering 690 miles. That's over 170 miles more than the longest range EV currently available and completely eliminates range anxiety for even the most demanding truck buyers. The beauty of this system becomes obvious when you consider real-world usage. For daily driving, you get the instant torque and silent operation of an electric vehicle. For long-distance towing or remote job sites, the gas generator ensures you never get stranded while still maintaining that electric performance advantage. It's the perfect solution for truck buyers who want electric capability without electric limitations. The capability numbers are equally impressive. Maximum towing capacity reaches 14,000 pounds, while payload capacity tops out at 2,625 pounds, meeting or exceeding the limits of rival pickups from Ford and Chevrolet. The sophisticated air suspension system includes a kneeling mode that lowers the truck for easier loading and unloading, while the body-on-frame construction maintains the rugged durability that truck buyers demand. Inside the cabin, the Ramcharger continues Ram's tradition of luxury leadership. Premium materials include diamond knurling accents, suede-wrapped headliner, and heated and ventilated leather seats with available massage functions. A 23-speaker Klipsch audio system with a 12-inch subwoofer creates a mobile concert hall, while multiple large screens handle everything from navigation to entertainment. What makes the Ramcharger truly brilliant is how it addresses every objection to electric trucks while delivering superior performance. No charging infrastructure worries, no range anxiety, no compromise on capability, just 647 horsepower of instant torque delivery that makes every other truck feel slow and outdated. And while this list of novelties looks amazing, Stellantis isn't the only manufacturer that has put some serious work into updating its lineup. Check out this video about Mazda's CEO releasing 6 new models, which you can now see on the screen. With a set of new models, the Japanese automaker will continue to set new standards when it comes to luxury, quality, and performance in the mainstream segment.